Hello, dear friends. Again, warm welcome to Fisheries Only, Nourishing Fish, Nurturing Life, our educational YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss one more institute, leading institute or organization in India, which are dedicatedly work for the development in the agriculture and allied sectors such as dairy, fishery, horticulture. That institute is Indian Council of Agriculture Research, भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान परिषद, New Delhi. We are going to learn about the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is ICAR, New Delhi, which is come under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. We will discuss its mandate, its vision, its organization structure, and so many institutes, bureaucrats, and bureaus, state agriculture universities are coming under these institutes. This organization, which is leads to the development of agriculture, and it has a great visions. It has a great vision to set the farmers, scientists to act collaboratively for the development of agriculture and allied sectors in India. Recently, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji reviewed the progress of agriculture research, extension, and education through video conferencing in last few weeks. The ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, has a state-specific strategy. Is designed a strategy for doubling the income of farmers. ICR has designed a strategy to double the income of the farmers in upcoming of the 2022. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research has intensified its efforts in farmer participatory research towards the doubling of the farmers' income in 2020, enhancing the agricultural production, productivity, as well as profitability in the agricultural sectors, developing and scaling the location specific and cost effective and climate relevant, climate appropriate technologies. These are the mandate are set by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is ICAR, in to enhance the farmers' income to double up to the 2022. Let's we know about the ICAR, its mandate, its vision, and then different institutes, central institutes, and other KVKs are working under the ICAR. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research is an autonomous organization working under the Department of Agricultural Research and Education, that is DARE, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Government of India, formerly known as the Empirical Council of Agriculture Research. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research is established in 6 July 1929 as a registered society. The ICR has a headquarters at the New Delhi. The council is an apex body for coordinating, guiding, and managing research and education in agriculture, including horticulture, fisheries, and allied animal sciences in the entire country. In whole countries, these ICR institutes are providing guidelines for the development and for the working of these institutes related to the agriculture, horticulture, and animal sciences and allied sciences, etc. There are presently 101 ICR institutes and 71 agriculture institutes spread over across the country, and which is the largest national agriculture system in the world. The ICR has played a pioneering role in unsharing green revolution and subsequent development in agriculture in India through its research and technology development that is embedded the countries to increase the production of food grains by 5.6 times, horticulture crops by 10.5 times, fish by 16.8 times, milk by 10.4 times, and the eggs by the 52.9 times since from the 1951 to 2017 and 18. The institute makes a visible impact on national food and nutritional security. It has played a major role in promoting excellence in higher education, in agriculture and allied sectors such as the fisheries, dairies and horticulture and allied sciences. It is engaged in cutting edge areas of science and technology development, and its scientists are internationally acknowledged for their work and for their devotion in the agriculture fields. Now we will discuss the mandate of the ICR. ICR has a plan, undertake, coordinate and promote research and technology development for the sustainable agriculture, aid, impact and coordinate agriculture extension, education to enable quality human resource development. These ICR is enthusiastically work for the development of human resources, fourth line extension of technology application, adoption, knowledge management and capacity development for agri-based rural development. It is also work for the agri-based rural development. It undertakes policy, cooperation and consultancy in agriculture, research, extension and education also. These are the mandates set by the ICR, that is the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Bharatiya Krishi Anusandhan Parishad, which is established, have a headquartered at New Delhi. Now we will discuss the visions of the ICR. The Council has been spreading agriculture research, education and extension activities for the productivity enhancement and diversification of the Indian agriculture. The world as a whole is undergoing several transformative changes, that is such as a growing population, changing lifestyle, expanding urbanization and accelerated of climate changes are creating new challenges for the national agriculture research system. The challenges to supply to adequate food with adequate nutrient profile to promote health of the human being throughout the India, to provide optimal nutrition based on the individual genetic profile also. These are the great target vision set by the ICR, that is all individual and its genetics and its requirement are considered by the ICR. The advances of the science and for the welfareness of society is also the main visions of the ICR. Council has committed to transform itself into organization engaged full with farmer, industry, entrepreneurship and consumer at large scale. The next vision of the ICR is to keep pace with the changing environment. The ICR has been updating its vision and strategy from time to time. This ICR is not bonding to particular set object, it is changing its visions and objectives with the changing environment and changing situations. The first systematic efforts to envision the challenges and opportunity to formulate its own strategy was undertaken in the last year of 20th century by preparing a vision of 220 documents. Like that, these also prepared by the vision for 220 30 for 2040, like that the visions are prepared by the ICR. ICR provides the strategy framework for innovation, lead inclusive and sustainable agriculture growth in the country. Now we will discuss the ICR at a glance. ICR institutions are in India is currently working as there are 65 ICR institutions are working. Deemed universities are four working under the ICR. National research centers, nearly about 14 national research centers are working under the ICR, and national bureaus 6 and director project directors are 13 numbers are working under the ICR, that is the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Just see the deemed university, that is four deemed universities are working under the ICR. That is first one is Indian Agriculture Research Institute, that is deemed university which is located at Pusa, New Delhi. The second one is National Dairy Research Institute which is located at Karnal. Third one is Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Ijatnagar. And in Maharashtra, we know there is a one deemed university which is come under the ICR, that is Central Institute of Fisheries Education, which is located at Mumbai. There are 65 institutions which are work under the ICR, that is the Central Island Agriculture Research Institute, Portbellar, Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Jodhpur, Central Avian Research Institute, Ijatnagar, Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute, Barakpur, Central Institute, Barakpur, Central Institute of Brackish Water Aquaculture, which is located at Chennai, Central Institute of Research on Buffaloes, that is Hisar, Central Institute of Research on Goat, that is Makdum, Central Institute of Agriculture and Engineering, Bhopal, Central Institute of Horticulture, Bikaner, Central Institute of Cotton Research, Nagpur, Central Institute of Fisheries Technologies, which is located in Kochi, Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, which is located at Bhubaneswar, Central Institute of Cotton Technology, which is located at Mumbai, Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture, Lucknow, Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture is located at Srinagar, the Central Institute of Post Harvest Engineering and Technology, which is located as Ludhiana, Central Marine Research Institute, which is located at Kochi, which is the most leading institute in India, which is work for marine fisheries and marine research and marine resources, which is covered by the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, that is Kochi. Then Central Plantation Crop Research Institute, Bharatpur, Central Potato Research Institute, Shimla, Central Research Institute, Jute and Allied Fiber, Bharatpur, Central Research Institute, Dryland Agriculture, Hyderabad, National Rice Research Institute, Cuttack, Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute, Rajasthan, Central Institute of Soil and Water Conservation, Dehradun, Central Soil and Soil Research Institute, Karnal, Central Tobacco Research Institute, Rajahmundry, Central Tuber Crop Research Institute, Trivandrum, ICR Research Complex for Eastern Region, that is Patna, ICR Research Complex for INEH Region, Barapani, Central Coastal Agriculture Research Institute, which is located at Goa, Indian Agricultural Statistics Research Institute, New Delhi, Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute, Jhansi, Indian Institute of Agriculture Biotechnology, Ranchi, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Bengaluru, Indian Institute of National Region and Gums, Ranchi, Indian Institute of Pulses Research, Kanpur, Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, Lucknow, Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, Varanasi, National Academy of Agriculture Research and Management, Hyderabad, National Institute of Biotic Stress Management, Rajpur. National Institute of Biotic Stress Management, that is Maharashtra, which is located in Malegaon. National Institute of Animal Nutrition and Physiology in Bengaluru. National Institute of Natural Fiber Engineering and Technology, Kolkata. National Institute of Veterinary Epidemiology and Disease, Formatting Herbal, Bengaluru. Sugarcane Breeding Institute, Coimbatore. These are the institutes are comes under working under the ICR. There are 65 institutes works under this ICR. There are also 14 national research centers are working under the ICR, that is National Research Center for Banana, Trichy, National Research Center for Grapes, Pune, National Research Center for Lychee, for Muzaffar, National Research Center for Coimbatore, Solapur, National Research Center for Pomegranate, which is located at Solapur in Maharashtra, National Research Center for Camel, Bikaner, National Research Center for Equinix in Hisar, National Research Center on Meat, Hyderabad, National Research Center on Lithium is Nagaland, National Research Center on Orchid at Sikkim, National Research Center on Pig as Guwahati, National Research Center on Seeds, Spices, Ajmer, National Research Center on Egg, that is West Kemal, a National Center for Integrated Pest Management, that is located at New Delhi, Mahatma Gandhi Integrated Farming Research Institute at Motihari, ICR. National Burex also 6 are there. National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resource, New Delhi. National Bureau of Agriculture Import Microorganisms at Uttar Pradesh. National Bureau of Agriculture Insect Resources, Bengaluru. National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning, Nagpur. National Bureau of Animal Genetics Resources as Karnal. And last one is the National Bureau of Feed Genetic and Resources, which is located at Lucknow. There are also some project directorates, near about 13, which are working under the ICR. First one is the Director of Groundnut Research, Junagadh, and like that, total 13 are working. Also, the Indian Council of Agricultural Universities also working under the ICR. There are 64 universities which are work under the ICR and which is located all over the India, that is the Andhra Pradesh having 3 universities, that is state agriculture universities. Then Assam has 1 university. Bihar has 2 universities, that is Bihar Agricultural University, Bhagalpur, and Bihar Animal Sciences University, Patna. Chhattisgarh having 2 agriculture universities, that is Indira Gandhi Krishi Vigyan Vishwavidyalay, Vidyalay Raipur, and Chhattisgarh Kamdenu Vishwavidyalay Durg. These are the 2 agriculture universities are coming under the Chhattisgarh. Gujarat has 5 agriculture universities. Haryana has 3. Himachal Pradesh has 3 state agriculture university. Jharkhand has 1 agriculture university. Jammu and Kashmir has 2 agriculture universities, that is Sher-e Kashmir University of Agriculture and Science Technology, Srinagar. Sher-e Kashmir University of Agriculture and Technology, Jammu. That 2 agriculture universities work coming under the Jammu and Kashmir. Karnataka has 6 agriculture universities. Kerala has 3 agriculture universities. Madhya Pradesh has 3 agriculture universities, namely Jawaharlal Nehru Vishwavidyalay, Jabalpur, Netaji Deshmukh Pashu Chikitsa Vishwavidyalay, Jabalpur, Rajmata Vijayashri Sunchita Krishi Vishwavidyalay, Gwalior. And Maharashtra, there are 5 agricultural universities which work under the ICR. First one is Dr. Balasaheb Sawant Konkan Krishi Vidyapith, Dapoli. Then second one is Maharashtra Animal and Fisheries Science University, which is located at Nagpur. Vasantrao Naik Marathwada Krishi Vidyapit, which is located at Parvani, and Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapit, which is located at Rauri, and fifth one is Dr. Panjarab Deshmukh Krishi Vishwa Vidyalaya, Akola. These are the 5 agriculture universities are working under the ICR, that is State Agriculture University. Orissa has 1, Punjab has 2, Rajasthan has 6 agriculture universities, Tamil Nadu has 3 universities, that is Tamil Nadu Agriculture University Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu Veterinary Animal Science University Chennai, and one more is aspect is Tamil Nadu Fisheries University is located as Nagapattinam, that is special universities are established by the Tamil Nadu. Separate university is there in Tamil Nadu for fisheries development. Telangana has 3 universities, Uttarakhand has 2 universities, Uttar Pradesh has 6 universities, West Bengal has 3 universities. Like that, there are also Krishi Vigyan Kendras also working under these ICR. There are mostly near about 716 Krishi Vigyan Kendras are working under the ICR for the development of agriculture and allied sectors. Thus, friend, we learn about the ICR, that is Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is Bharatiya Anusandhan Krishi Parishad, New Delhi. It is an autonomous organization which is work or dedicated for the development of the research, education, extension, and entrepreneurship development in the field of the agriculture and allied sectors such as animal husbandry, horticulture, dairies, as well as fisheries and other. If you like this video, please share the videos, please subscribe the channels. Thank you.